Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, the Iraqi Dinar. Recent developments and future outlook. The Iraqi Dinar, IQD, has been the subject of much discussion in financial circles, with speculation about its potential revaluation continuing to gain momentum. Investors and analysts alike are closely monitoring economic changes in Iraq, particularly as the country moves toward economic modernization and financial reform. Potential revaluation. What's the latest? Several sources suggest that the Iraqi dinar could be set for a significant increase in value, with some estimates placing its potential exchange rate between $3.50 and $3.80 per USD. However, others caution that the currency might follow a managed float system, allowing for a gradual increase rather than an immediate jump. Financial commentator Mr. Sami has proposed that while the dinar could reach $4, it may stabilize before going much higher. He acknowledges that this is speculation, but his confidence is based on insider discussions and recent economic policies being implemented in Iraq. What's driving the speculation? The enthusiasm surrounding the dinar's potential rise is not without reason. Historically, the currency was valued at around $3.22, and Iraq's economic strategy could aim to restore it to that level or higher. The government has been making strides in financial reforms, including efforts to strengthen the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, and integrate its banking system into the global economy. Additionally, reports suggest that international financial institutions, including J.P. Morgan and Citibank, are becoming more involved with Iraq's banking sector. This could be a sign of growing confidence in Iraq's economic future. The role of the US dollar. One major factor influencing the dinar's potential appreciation is Iraq's dependence on the US dollar. There are concerns that if the US reduces or restricts dollar flow into Iraq, the country would have to accelerate its transition to an independent financial system. While this could create short-term challenges, it might ultimately strengthen the dinar as Iraq becomes more self-sufficient. Challenges and risks. Despite the optimism, some analysts caution that Iraq still faces economic hurdles, including a parallel banking system. Many financial transactions occur outside of official channels, making regulation difficult. The shadow economy. A significant portion of Iraq's financial activity happens outside government oversight, which can slow down economic reforms. Compliance with global banking standards. Iraq must continue aligning its financial institutions with international regulations to attract foreign investment. Upcoming financial deadlines. The CBI recently set a deadline in June for banks to settle electronic payments. To comply, banks must hold accounts with major international institutions such as J.P. Morgan. This shift could reshape Iraq's financial landscape, pushing local banks to establish stronger ties with global financial networks. Some experts, including financial researcher Mustafa Foros, warn that this transition could force local banks to work with institutions outside Iraq, such as Jordanian or Gulf banks. While this could improve international banking access, it may also weaken domestic financial institutions. What does this mean for investors? For those watching the dinar closely, the key takeaway is that Iraq is making significant financial moves that could influence its currency's future value. While speculation about a sudden jump to $3 to $4 remains uncertain, the broader trend points toward a more stable and internationally integrated Iraqi economy. Whether the dinar sees a rapid revaluation or a gradual appreciation, Iraq's ongoing financial reforms suggest a positive long-term trajectory. Investors should stay informed, monitor official announcements from the CBI, and be cautious of misinformation. Final thoughts. The Iraqi dinar's future remains an intriguing topic, with potential for significant change. Whether or not a major revaluation happens soon, Iraq's economic transformation is undeniable. The coming months will be crucial in determining how the dinar fits into the broader global financial system. If you're following these developments, keep an eye on policy changes, banking regulations, and global economic factors influencing Iraq's currency. The journey is ongoing, and it's definitely one to watch.